Does the world move by fairness, or does it move by advantage? 50 Cent said, the biggest lies we were told as kids was that if you treat someone with kindness, you will get kindness back. You can mean well. And people will still use that for their own gain. That's why kindness without awareness becomes a weakness. Be a good person, but stay awake. Help people if you choose to, but understand human nature. Many people don't ask, is this fair? They ask, what can I get from this? Once you understand that, you will stop being bitter. You just become wiser. People will smile when they need you and vanish when they don't. They will mirror your goodness for their own advantage. So be kind, but not naive.